Hey guys, we're at Ace Night at the Haunt event on September 23rd, 2017, and we are currently heading over to the Railblazer construction site to get a kind of behind the fence tour, or not a tour, just to see what's going on back there. So right now, the only people in the park are staff and Ace members, and they have the night walkers practicing over there. So yeah, we're heading over there right now. Alright guys, we are currently heading behind the scenes, and it looks like we're passing some Winterfest props. These were all here last year, so we still got those up. I see they're renovating a couple of them maybe, but these should be ready for Winterfest. And here is just the road in the middle of Great America where all the maintenance things happen. And yeah, so we're going to be heading into the Railblazer construction zone any minute now. We got Patriot all the way over there. We went here in the pre-season tour on Great America back in March of this year. And yeah, so we'll be there soon. Alright, we are here just lining up to see the Railblazer construction site, and we are currently at the Madame Marie's Massacre Manor facade. So I think this is where the entrance of Madame Marie's is. And actually, Madame Marie's is flipped this year because of the construction site of Railblazer. So the entrance is on the other side of the health office. So there's Madame Marie's right there. So we're not interested in that right now. We are going to the Railblazer construction site, and we're going to be in there in just a few minutes probably. Alright guys, and here is the Railblazer construction site. So as of now, it's just dirt and some trenches. And also there's some rocks over there, which I assume are going to be used for the rock work, like for the tunnels and stuff like that. And there's just piles of dirt and
it's still a bit
caution
cold
tape.
right now, but I promise you there's going to be some kind of orangey steel coming in a few weeks.
Yeah, so as Roger Ross just said, the track is going to be coming in pretty soon. Alright, well, there's your Railblazer construction update for now, and we'll keep you updated. Bye-bye.
And it's scarier than ever. We'll see if you can handle being thrown into the fire. Now, what do you say? Are you ready to scream? I can't hear you. That's nice. I now summon my frightful friends from the other side. Halloween Haunt is now open. Ha 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 ha!